Children, we are going to discuss 10.2 activity light lesson children. Page number is 162. Here, actual what we are doing means children, we are taking the concave. I will tell aim children, wait children, all of you. I will tell the aim at that time. Right, first I will explain. Children, normally concave mirror. When object is coming from infinity, when object is coming from infinity, when object light rays are coming from infinity, they all meet at one point. What is that point, children?
Focus.
Focus. Focus. Exactly on the focus. If you put any paper or anything for some time, if you focus the sun rays, for some time, if you focus the sun rays, that paper starts burning. So, children, a to locate the focus. Aim to locate the focus. Aim to locate the focus of concave mirror. To locate the focus of concave mirror. What is the aim, children? To locate the focus of concave mirror, or like this also we can say, uh, when object is at infinity, when object is at infinity, when object is at infinity, what are the characters? Children, we all know what are the characters. What is this, children? Concave mirror. Please keep drawing, children, in your textbooks beside diagram. Okay, this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Object is sun, children. Sun is at infinity, children. Sun is at infinity. Light rays are coming from 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 infinity. Compulsory you should draw, right? And all of them will meet at focus. All of them will meet at focus. Okay, children. Light rays are coming from infinity, and all of them will meet at focus. Okay, children. On the focus, if you keep any paper or anything, children, it starts burning. Why it will burning, children? Why it will burn, children? Because so many rays are concentrated in one region, children. Because so many rays are concentrated in one region, that's why it will burn. And this is the aim of the experiment, children. Okay, where it will burn? When you keep on focus. When you keep on focus, using this, children, they are also making solar cookers, children. So many times in board exam they ask, in solar cookers what mirrors we will use? In solar cookers we will use concave mirror. So many times they ask this, children, so many times. Okay, children, this is concave mirror, this is sun rays. Exactly on the focus, children, they will keep your cooker exactly on the focus, because all the sun rays, the light rays will come and meet at focus. This cooker will become very very hot, and whatever you want you can cook in this solar cooker. There are two types of cooker, children. One is box type cooker, another one is concentrator type of cooker. This is concentrated type of cooker, children. In box type cooker, this is box type cooker, children. Okay, so box type, here we will use what mirror, children? Anyone? Plain mirror we will use. In concentrated type, what mirror we will use, children? Anyone? What mirror we will use?
Concave.
Concave.
Concave mirror. Which among them are you thinking will have more temperature? This or children?
Concentrated.
Concave.
This will have more temperature, because so many rows here, less temperature will be there, here more temperature will be there. And here, because it is less temperature, we cannot use it for baking and frying. Here we can even go for baking, frying, making chapatis, etc. Why? Because concave mirror concentrates all the light rays to one point. The point where all light rays meet is called focus. What is the point?
Focus.
What is the focus, children? Point where all light rays meet is called focus. From this activity, the question which they are asking every year is, what type of mirrors are used in solar furnace? Solar furnace will use concave mirror, and if it is possible, draw the small diagram also, children. If it is possible, draw the small diagram also, where here we are putting cooker, and cooker will become very very hot, and we can use it for cooking, children. Concentrated type of solar cooker. What are the characters of image, anyone? Real, it is point size on F. Where object is forming? On F.
On F.
Okay. Can anyone tell what is U, V, F characters, children? U is always
Negative.
minus. Object is here, image also here. So V is
So
also
negative.
Negative.
focal length for concave mirror is always
Negative.
negative. Like this, if you analyze, children, everything will become easy for you, children. You have to analyze every aspect, children. Okay. Thank you so much, children. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, children.